You've seen the glossy ads, the promises of easy money, and the endless stream of influencers swearing by Shopify. But is it really the golden ticket to online success? Let's cut through the hype and get real. Hey everyone, today I will talk about Shopify Honest reviews. I've been hearing a lot about it, and I know you have too. So, let's strip away the marketing and find out if Shopify is actually worth your time and money. What is Shopify? Shopify is a platform that helps you create and manage your own online store. It's like having a virtual shop where people from all over the world can buy your products. How does it work? Think of Shopify as a tool that simplifies the process of setting up an online store. Here's a basic breakdown. Create your store. Design your online store using Shopify's pre-designed templates. You can customize the look to match your brand. Add your products. Showcase your products with clear descriptions and high-quality images. Shopify helps you track your inventory and pricing. Accept payments. Customers can pay for their orders using various payment methods, and Shopify handles the transactions. Ship your orders. Connect with shipping services to process and fulfill orders efficiently. Manage your business. Track your sales, manage customer information, and analyze your business performance using Shopify's tools. In essence, Shopify handles the technical aspects of running an online store, allowing you to focus on growing your business. It's a versatile platform suitable for entrepreneurs and businesses of all sizes. Click the link in the description below of this video to use Shopify 30 days free trial. Who can use Shopify? Shopify is designed for a wide range of businesses. Here are some examples. Small businesses and startups. Shopify is perfect for entrepreneurs just starting out or small businesses looking to expand their online presence. Established retailers. Even larger businesses can benefit from Shopify's flexibility and scalability. Many retailers use it to complement their physical stores. Dropshippers. Shopify is a popular choice for those interested in the dropshipping business model. Artists and craftspeople. Selling handmade or unique products online is easy with Shopify. Food and beverage businesses. Restaurants, cafes, and food delivery services can use Shopify to sell products online. Shopify benefits. Shopify offers a multitude of advantages for businesses looking to establish or grow their online presence. Here are some key benefits. User-friendly platform. Easy to use. Shopify's intuitive interface makes it accessible to users with minimal technical knowledge. Quick setup. You can create a basic online store in a matter of minutes. Extensive features. Product management. Efficiently manage your product catalog, inventory, and pricing. Order fulfillment. Streamline order processing, shipping, and returns. Payment processing. Accept various payment methods securely. Marketing tools. Utilize built-in marketing features to reach your target audience. Scalability. Growth accommodation. Shopify can handle increasing sales and product lines as your business expands. Global reach. Sell your products to customers worldwide. Customization options. Design flexibility. Choose from a variety of themes or create a custom look to match your brand. App integration. Enhance your store's functionality with thousands of available apps. Reliable and secure. Uptime. Shopify boasts a high uptime rate to ensure your store is always accessible. Data security. Protect your customers' information with robust security measures. Excellent support. Customer support. Shopify offers reliable customer support to assist with any issues. Community resources. Benefit from a vast community of Shopify users and experts. Additional benefits. Mobile optimization. Ensure your store looks great on any device. Multi-channel selling. Sell on multiple platforms, e.g., Amazon, eBay, from a single backend. Analytics. Gain valuable insights into customer behavior and sales performance. By leveraging Shopify's benefits, businesses can focus on growing their brand and sales while the platform handles the technical complexities. Click the link in the description below of this video to use Shopify 30 days free trial. Have you used Shopify? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest reviews and business tips.